Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I am going to be sharing how much money I earned in 2022 and how I earned the money that I earned in 2022 as a part-time content creator. So if that is of interest to you, then please keep watching. So you might be wondering what a part-time content creator is. Well, I work full-time in public education actually, and I have been working full-time for, basically my whole adult life, and that has continued to be the case for me. However, I actually started dibbling and dabbling in YouTube and all that it brings about 5 years ago, maybe a little over 5 years ago, and I have continued to maintain a full-time job while doing this stuff on the side. And I consider myself to be a part-time content creator because in the grand scheme of things, I do work part-time each week on all of this. So I am a YouTube girly. While I have an Instagram, I used to have a Facebook and stuff like that, I do not consistently post on either of those platforms. I don't consistently post or care to post or even really care to have any of those platforms outside of YouTube. YouTube is where you can find me. Currently, I upload about 2 times per week. That's pretty consistent unless something is happening in my life. So you can always catch me here on Wednesdays or on Saturday or Sunday. And I probably film once, maybe twice per week. And I spend max 8 hours filming those videos, editing those videos, and publishing those videos, as well as responding to comments and things of the sort. So you can catch me dedicating, a good 8 hours per week to YouTube and to content creation. And that is why I consider myself to be a part-time content creator. So if you want to learn about how much money I made in 2022, then let's just go ahead and get right into it. No need to further drag this out. And this is going to be the most anticlimactic way of sharing how much I earned imaginable, because I do not get on YouTube to just carry on and leave cliffhangers and act like I'm going to share some content when or something when I'm really not, and it's just, a scam or clickbait. I'm not into it. So let's just get right into it. So first income source, and these are listed in alphabetical order per the platform that I use, is Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. What that means is if I share anything that is linked from Amazon. So let's say I'm talking about this case, and let's say I got it from Amazon, or let's say I didn't get it from Amazon, but it's available on Amazon, and I want to share that link with viewers, then I can go to Amazon, create the link, and share it. And if you click on that link, and if you purchase the case or anything else, detergent, pet food, anything else using that link, I will earn a commission from Amazon because I brought you there or I took you there. So in 2022, I earned $329.81 from Amazon. I consider Amazon to be linking things and stuff to be affiliate marketing, and I have not been great at affiliate marketing. I never have been. Some people earn tens of thousands of dollars through affiliate marketing. I'm just not the girl. So each month I earn like $20, $30 from Amazon, and in 2022, that is how much I earned. For my Chime affiliate bonus, I am a Chime affiliate, which means that Chime is a mobile bank who I love and who I have been working with a long time, because of which I am an affiliate. And if you use my Chime affiliate link, I will earn a commission, and that commission, last time I checked, was $10, but I think it has gone up. In 2022, I earned a flat $100 from the Chime affiliate program. I will say, I could have done better. I'm a little surprised by that, but the fact of the matter is, I think in 2022, Chime changed their affiliate platforms 3 times, I think. And when that happens, I have to edit. I have to stay on top of it. I have to share new links. I have to edit my old links to be my new links. And when it comes to matters of what's important to me in life, that is not. So I haven't kept up with that too much. Again, I don't even know what the current bonus is. I haven't earned money from the Chime affiliate bonus program in probably since March. So I only earned money in March, which I think was a payout from 2021. So technically I didn't get any Chime affiliate bonuses in 2022. I only got a payout, an old payout from 2021 from when they changed the platform and I wasn't aware and that type of stuff. So not a viable, long-standing resource or income source, but it is a way that I got paid in 2022. Next up, I have a Chime referral link. And if you have the Chime, if you have a Chime account or the Chime app, you can also refer people. You can refer your friends, your family members. I think the bonus is $10 as well. That is the Chime referral bonus situation is something that I benefit from, not really as a content creator, although I do consider it to be content creation income, but it's really just something that any person could take advantage of. And in 2022, I earned $210 from the Chime referral bonus program. Next up, we have Fancy Budgeting. Fancy Budgeting is a stationery company. They sell fancy budget related stationery products, and they launched a couple years ago. I did earn some money in 2022. I'd say I earned the most money. I think they launched in 2021. You know, these past few years are running together. So I would say I earned the most in 2021, but I have earned a little change in 2022, or did, and I earned $228.97 through the Fancy Budgeting affiliate program. Same deal. If I share my link or my code and someone uses the code or the link, I earn a commission. Next up, we have good old Google AdSense, which is YouTube. So this is kind of tricky because some people get ads and some people don't. And I'm not talking about the people who pay for YouTube Premium. They pay to not get ads, but I'm talking about the person who doesn't have YouTube Premium. I'm going to insert an ad right here. And if you got it, you know, we'll talk more about what that means. But if you didn't get it, I don't really know why that is. Some people get ads, some people don't get ads. But either way, with the ads that I earned from my YouTube channel for the entire year of 2022, I received $19,268.03. And if you watch a few seconds of the ads, if you skip the ad, if you watch the whole ad, if you click on the ad, whatever you do with any of these ads, we as content creators earn money from that. I don't know the ins and outs. I think we earn a little more if you click on the ad or purchase something from the ad. Sometimes the ads aren't even really clickable. They're like a little commercial type of deal. So I'm not really sure how the ads specifically work. I don't control any of that. I just control how many ads are within any video of mine, or if I want the ads to even play or that type of thing. So I can't really control. I can only turn on monetization and turn off monetization, turn on the ads or turn off the ads. So to earn $19,000 just for sitting down and creating these videos is really good. And it's even better because this is only 45% of the ad revenue. YouTube takes 55% for allowing me to use their platform. So they actually got the bulk of the money. So let's say I actually brought in 45,000, they actually took, you know, like 25,000 or something like that. So either way, that's a lot of money for some ads running on this YouTube channel. And so anyway, that's how much money I earned from that. Next up, we have Instagram, which is my newest income source. So back in November, I signed up for the Instagram Reels bonus program. I did not create Reels prior to last year. I had no interest in doing so. You know, so there was no point in me signing up for the affiliate program, not the affiliate program, for the referral Reels bonus program. But I did so in November, and I probably posted maybe like 8 Reels in November, and they were 5 seconds long, 10 seconds long, maybe ranging from 5 seconds to, let's say, a minute. And I earned $100, and I'm on track to earn about $100 each month if I upload, you know, like 8 different Reels or something. In the professional dashboard on Instagram, they will show you what your approximate bonus is, and they will tell you about different ways that you can earn like special bonuses and stuff like that. I don't really keep up with it, but I do know that prior to 2022, I had not taken advantage of that program. Some people earn a lot of money doing that. I'm just not really a short form content kind of gal. Maybe I will be in the future, when life is more hectic and maybe I still want to share content, but I can't sit and film these types of videos. But right now, that's not me. Next up, we have Notique, also a stationery company, not really focused on budgeting, but rather just like a luxury upscale type of stationery. They sell planner inserts, and now they're selling like purses and suitcases and stuff like that. And I earned from the Notique affiliate program $21.74 in the year of 2022 for online coaching. Oftentimes I will open up my scheduler and offer some budget coaching and Etsy coaching and YouTube coaching. And in 2022, I earned $270.14. I will do coaching in person. I have no problem doing that, but in 2022, they were all online sessions. For sales, which is Etsy, which I have recently closed my Etsy shop. You can check out that video if you wish to learn about the demise of my Etsy shop. But in 2022, I earned $1,697.50 from ShareASale, which is back. ShareASale had gone away for maybe a number of years, but now she's back. She's not back with a vengeance, because in 2022, I earned $52.16 through the ShareASale program, also affiliate marketing. The only difference is, let's say that, you know, I have partnered with Notique and Fancy Budgeting and other types of companies. The only difference is, instead of those companies having their own separate affiliate platforms and programs, if they wanted to partner through ShareASale, they could, and then they would be a part of ShareASale. It's kind of like a big umbrella of a bunch of different companies. So still affiliate marketing. And then last but not least, we have sponsorships. In 2022, I earned $307.46 from sponsorships. Again, that's in the entire year of 2022. Now, I pulled up how many sponsorships I participated in, and it looks like 18, which is on track, kind of on par for me, because I think that's the exact amount from 2021, which is kind of freakish. In 2021, I would say 2020 was the year of sponsorships for me. And then 2021, you know, every year after that, it has continued to be quite either grow or to be steady. So let's talk about my newest way of earning money. So there is this thing called UGC, and it stands for user generated content. And this has become a more popular thing. And in 2022, I took advantage of it. So right now, if I were to do, when you normally hear about sponsored videos, you normally hear about a creator creating sponsored content and sharing it on their platform. Well, with UGC, creators are creating content for companies and giving that content to them to share on their platforms. So I did a lot of that in 2022. Now, to this day, I still do not reach out to brands. I wait for them to contact me, and then we just kind of take it from there. So if I were to do that, I'm sure, you know, maybe I could earn more money. But my thing is, I don't want to just be, you know, creating a bunch of sponsored content just to be doing it. I don't know. Sponsored content is a little annoying for me personally. I can see how it's very profitable. I'm not here to deny that. But, you know, having to follow guidelines and rules and regulations, it's not for me. Like today, I told myself, when you get home from work on Monday, sit down, film your video, edit it tomorrow, publish it on Wednesday. So just being able to do what I want sits right with my spirit. But let's talk about UGC. What was UGC and what wasn't? So I did not have any sponsored content in January or February of 2022. So that's something to notate. Not really sure why that is, but it was. So starting off with March, I had UGC that I gave to Chime. Chime is a mobile bank. I work with them regularly. I created 2 TikToks for them and gave those to them, and they posted them wherever they posted them. I think they also, I gave them some short form content, and I think they posted the content on TikTok and Instagram Reels or something. I'm not really sure, but that was UGC. Also, I did some more UGC in March, and I think the first payment that I got was actually UGC from February because it was at the beginning of the month. So do with that information what you will. I did a sponsored video over here on YouTube. That was it for March. In April, I did a sponsored video over here on YouTube. Then I actually went to the state of Nebraska, and I went and I explored Omaha. In Omaha, the state of Nebraska paid content creators and a +1, so my husband went, to go to Omaha, Nebraska, stay in a hotel, meet with their people, explore, do all sorts of different stuff, and they paid us to do that. And they also part of that, we had to create an Instagram reel. So that was kind of twofold, I guess. So that took place in April. Well, the trip was in March, and then I got paid in April. What else took place? In April, I also sent Chime some UGC. In May, sent Chime some more UGC. In June, I began working with Mint Mobile, and I created an Instagram reel that was posted over on Instagram. Also created another Instagram reel, posted on Instagram in July, and then more UGC for Chime in July. In August, you guys would have seen a sponsored video over here. Well, I don't know when exactly you saw this stuff, but we typically are paid about 30 to 90 days after, but normally I get paid rather quickly from the brands that I work with. So maybe that video was actually released in July and I got paid for it in August, but you get what I'm saying. August, I got some money from Mint Mobile for doing an Instagram reel. September, Mint Mobile from doing an Instagram reel. Also did a sponsored video over here for Amazon. So that was probably like the biggest, coolest sponsored piece of work or brand that I worked with in 2022. Consequently, they paid the most as well. October, Mint Mobile Instagram over on Instagram. November, another Mint Mobile Instagram situation. December, another Mint Mobile Instagram situation. And then also in December, I worked with Chime again, and it was UGC. So another situation where I gave them content. I don't even know where that went. Like sometimes they'll be like, we'll post it on our TikTok, or we're gonna post it here or there. I don't even know if that's been posted yet. I don't know where it is. But anyway, in total, $25,307.46 is what was earned from sponsored content in 2022. And so, if you add it all up, you get $47,587.41, with sponsorships being up here, Google AdSense, YouTube being right below it, and then everything else, which honestly, in the grand scheme of things, it probably only makes up maybe $2,500. So I guess you can see where my time and energy continues to lie, and that is on YouTube. In fact, if I didn't do sponsorships, if I didn't do affiliate marketing and any of that, then I would still consider what I earn from just people watching my ads to be a significant amount of money for a part-time gig or a side hustle. So I think that is it for today's video. I cannot think of anything else. I'm not sharing my gross outflow, which is what I typically do. I am just sharing today the gross inflow, but just know that I did have to spend money to create some of that content, and I had to, pay for subscriptions and things like that to actually create the content. So I did spend money, but also do keep in mind that this is before taxes, and I have to pay taxes twofold. I have to pay taxes when you are a business owner. You have to pay taxes as the employer and the employee. So a decent amount will go to taxes, but I'm not going to harp on that because I have harped on that for as long as I can remember. In fact, I'm going to be doing a YouTube video harping on that even more, talking about some tips and tricks for content creators when it comes to bookkeeping, which I love. If I did not work with my students or work with children and families and do the work that I do, I 100% could be somebody's bookkeeper, hands down. And nothing makes me happier than organizing data and information and money and stuff like that. I guess that's why I'm into budgeting. I for sure could be a full-time bookkeeper. I can sit right here all day with breaks, of course, and just input information. So I'm great at bookkeeping. I have all of my information in here and I keep up with it regularly, but we're going to talk about that in a different video. So as of right now, just so you know, I have I'm under no contracts. I have no sponsored content lined up. I'm just out here free as a bird, just creating content that I feel like creating, which is what I always do anyway, but you get what I'm saying. So I'm just out here living my best life. I do assume that brands will begin to reach out to me soon, maybe in the next month or so, and we might be able to start talking about some content, either UGC or stuff that I'll put on YouTube. So that is probably coming down the pipes, but just so you know, as of right now, I don't have anything in the works, which is why I go to work full time. This is how much money I earned as a part-time content creator. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know down in the comment section. Feel free to email me if you would like to book a session to take a deep dive into, you know, all of this. The link will be down below if you want to, you know, learn some strategies and such for being more successful on YouTube. Yeah, just let me know. So anyway, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe if you're new and if you're liking what you're seeing, and I will catch you guys right back here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye guys.